So Malinki, ne, this is how you know you've got a real Zimbo man, ne? If he orders Mazondo, proper Mazondo, ne? So Malinki, there's a lot of people that will not know what Mazondo is. So Mazondo is the cow hooves. Now the right way of preparing it is it gets thrown in the fire, the hair gets burned off, and then it gets scraped, cut with an axe, put in a pot, and then cooked till it is like this juicy and soft, ne? And I must promise you, ne, it is really moersemoer. You moet not take honestly. Even this old Madala, ne? This old Madala.
My first time with
He ordered Mazondo.
My first time with Mazondo. Excellent.
You see.
Excellent. In Zimbabwe.
You see,
Zombo.
Zimbo food for Zimbos. Arrivari.